I think I got a new name for our tractor, but I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments if you like it. I think I'm gonna call him Timmy Tractor. What's up, Arvin? Okay. And you heard it from the mouth itself. From there it goes. It's catching on the other part. And as long as it burns off all those leaves and little vine twiggies and stuff like that, and it's raining some kind of... Hey guys, and welcome to another Day in the Life series. I'm out. It's been raining really hard for last week, 10 days every day. So this is my first time out in a while, and I'm gonna invite you along for the ride. Now, I haven't been able to be out here for quite some time, and since well, for last Monday, or not Monday, but for last 10 days or so, the weatherman has said we have gotten somewhere in range of 20 inches of rain. Now, it could rain a couple inches here, and we'd have to let it dry out for a week before we could do anything. But I'm showing you the garden, and we have not been able to get into it for a pretty long time. The potatoes here seem to be doing really well. I do need to go in and, pick out all the grass and stuff. But as I said, it's been raining really hard every day for the last 10 days. We're here located in southeast Kansas, and hopefully in the next week or so we get in here and take care of the garden. Now, our cucumbers are doing really well. You can see our cucumbers. They're pretty big now. They're starting to grow up. And we got water. We got water there, and water there. And there's where we planted our watermelons. And I need to figure this stuff out. I don't know, maybe we build this part up a little bit. Or dredge some dirt from up there and put it down in here. That might work. Or I gotta walk up over here. I'm gonna be going to the back way down there. It does seem it's wet, and it's wetter. So this is the first time I'm out here for about a week. And so I'm gonna try and make it over here somewhere. Yep, there's some more water right there. We have standing water right here in front of me. And I gotta figure out a way around it. So it's not really any way around it. Just kinda gotta walk through it. Walk through it on their least available water. There's the trees. There's our trees right here. Trees are coming up right here. And this is, yeah, it's still pretty wet right in here. Wetter than I've seen it since I've been here. But we got trees right there. Got trees right there. We got trees over here. And now it's a little bit hard to see. But right there. The tree. And right here is a tree. So that does have a bit of brown on it. Right in there. But it's still got a bunch of green on it too, so. Got some trees up over here. Up over here. All until, wow, look at that. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, here you go, okay. That is awesome. We got these big old things, big old buds on them, and all that is new growth. So, that doesn't look like new growth, but I do see a couple of buds on them. So hopefully they'll start taking off pretty soon. You know, what we need is a good 10 days without anything. No rain, bunch of sun, and we'll be able to get back out here with the tractor again. See, I can't really go up in here. A lot of water right here. Water over here. And there's another one. And there's some right there. Some right there. There's one. Now this one, I think this guy's gonna be one of our best trees here. Look at all the buds coming off it. That one might be 18 inches tall. Got a lot of nice buds on it, nice green buds on it, doing really well. A bunch of these have them too. And we're gonna try and see how our Douglas firs are doing. By the way, the ones you just saw were Fraser firs. Yeah, there we go. See, that's sitting in water. Need to try and get some of that out of there. What I might do tomorrow is see if I can't find a way to get all of these out of here. Not remove them, but get all the water out. We got some right here too, and you know, it's almost getting to the point where I can't really tell where I planted the trees. I know I planted right there. There's one right there. That could use some sun. They could all use some sun about now. Oh, there's one. Looking kind of bushy. I think that's a good sign. You got some coming around here. Got a lot of leaves, or a lot of new bud on it. But now I'm gonna go up to the up to the pumpkin patch, and I have to get some pumpkins planted here in the next week or so. 2 weeks. No more than 2 weeks, I should say. And we got a bunch of water laying up here too. This is just standing water all over the place. And as you can see, standing water right there. And we got a ditch over here. Well, not really a ditch, but a low spot. Standing water. I might see about making a ditch going over there. And here's where I planted again. Or I haven't planted yet, but here's our pumpkin patch. Okay. Some of it. Some of it I might be able to plant. But I know for sure I'm not going to really be able to till it. Maybe I could wait about a month or so. Well, not a month, but yeah. Now I'm getting into some wet. Now that area right there is where I dug the ditch. And the water seems to be going down the ditch. But I'm going to try and get out of this area. I know I cannot till it, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I will be planting pumpkins here one way or the other. And right there, as you can see, made a ditch all the way down to there. That's about 100 feet. And I kind of stopped right there because water doesn't really gather up in this area right here. I'm kind of wondering how well a tiller will till. And I made a ditch right there going down over there, so gets a bunch of water out of the sidewalk area. And over there, and everyone's got something going on in here. Just heard some pounding. Hey, hello, Evan. What are you working on today?
Well, trying to get this shelf cleaned off.
Yeah.
I need a smaller broom. I need a little
I thought we had one.
in the house.
In the house?
Yeah, we need one out here. I hate to use the one in the house, but I guess I could.
No.
Ain't gonna hurt nothing.
I thought we had a little bitty white one with a some black brushes on it.
That was your mom's.
Oh, okay.
We didn't take it. We
Yeah.
left it there for her.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
She wanted us to take it, but we didn't take it.
Yeah. Maybe we should have.
Well, I'll go in and get the other broom.
All right.
Yeah. Oh, I took all the screws out of that front board. Now we got a nice long 2x4. You know, they had across the bottom.
All right.
Took all the
Okay.
screws out. 'Cause
That was
that's
the one on
special
this
ones.
side?
Yeah, down at the bottom.
All right.
That's a
Yeah,
nice
that's
one.
the 2x4 we're
Yep.
talking about right there.
Yeah, we got another one now.
Okay.
And there'll be 2 more
Okay.
once we get them out.
Cool.
But I want to get some of that done up there.
Did you see over here?
I know, I looked at it.
I made that ditch over here and all that water's gone.
Yeah, it's all gone.
Yeah.
But it's going to take a week, 10 days to dry that
Yeah.
before you ever get into the tiller.
Yeah, if I have the plan, I'm not going to be able to till it.
No.
But,
Maybe next week, if we don't get no more rain.
yep. So, you hear that? No more rain for another week. at least.
or two.
Or 2. 2's better. Or 3.
Don't rain for
Maybe 3 weeks, but not definitely not 2.
no rain for the month of June because we got plenty in the ground here.
Alright? Alright.